Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all. The last topic of the electrochemistry is corrosion. Corrosion is a process in which a metal reacts with oxygen and moisture in the atmosphere. It is a natural process that converts refined metal to the more stable metal oxides. Most familiar example of corrosion is the formation of rusting on iron. Oxygen and water are necessary for iron to rust. A region of the metal surface that has relatively less moisture acts as anode. Another region on the surface of metal that has relatively more moisture acts as cathode, and moisture acts as electrolyte. So electrolysis process takes place. During rusting process, iron 2 ions formed at the anodic region flow to the cathodic region through the moisture on the surface. Here Fe plus 2 ions further react with oxygen to form rust. Corrosion of aluminium. Corrosion is not limited to iron. Aluminium is extensively used in the construction of aircrafts, ships, cars, cooking utensils, window frames, soda cans. Aluminium has much higher tendency to oxidize than iron. Therefore, we might expect to see aircrafts, ships, cars, cooking utensils, soda cans transformed into piles of corroded aluminium. However, this does not occur. This is because a tough layer of insoluble aluminum oxide forms on the surface when metal is exposed to the air. This layer firmly adheres to the metal and serves to protect the underlying aluminum layers from further corrosion. I mean, aluminum oxide layer is a non-porous. On the other hand, insoluble layer of rust Fe2O3.X H2O that forms on the surface of iron is too porous to protect the underlying metal. This layer flakes away and exposes metal for further corrosion. Prevention of corrosion. How we can protect our materials from corrosion? There are different methods. The one is coating with paint. Corrosion can be prevented by painting the metals so that it does not come in contact with oxygen and moisture. Paints also provides a visual appeal. Number two, alloying. The tendency of iron to oxidize can be greatly reduced by alloying it with the other metals. For example, stainless steel. Prevention of corrosion can also be done by coating with a thin layer of another metal. This can be done by three ways: tinning, galvanizing, electroplating. In tinning process, a clean iron sheet is dipped in a bath of molten tin. It is then passed through hot pairs of rollers. Tin protects iron effectively since it is very stable. Prevention of corrosion can be done by galvanizing, coating with zinc. This process of galvanizing consists of dipping a clean iron sheet in a hot zinc chloride bath and heating. After this, the sheet is rolled into zinc bath and cooled. Another is electroplating. In electroplating, an electrolytic process is used to deposit the one metal on another metal. One another way to prevent the corrosion is cathodic protection. Cathodic protection is the process in which the metal that is to be protected from corrosion is made cathode and connected to metal such as magnesium or aluminium. These metals are more active than iron, so they act as anode and iron act as cathode. The more active metals themselves oxidize and save iron from the corrosion. With this one, I am going to end my lecture. Please subscribe and keep watching my channel. Amjad Ali 1522. For a video lecture, keep watching my channel. At the end, take care of you and take care of the people around you, especially your parents. Okay, Allah Hafiz.